YouTube is flooded with videos promising easy money online. But the truth is, most of them are dead. They don't work anymore, or AI already replaced them. That's why so many students stay broke. Not because they're lazy, but because they're following outdated advice. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 side hustles that still work in 2026. Real ideas students can actually start and scale from $10,000 a month to 6 figures. And don't skip the last one. It's the most practical on this list. And for most students, it's the first one that actually puts money in your pocket. Let's start with the first side hustle, content clipping. You've seen this on Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. You're scrolling, and suddenly a short clip from a long podcast pops up. No heavy editing, just a clean cut. Sometimes captions, that's content clipping. And in 2026, it's very profitable. Here's what most people miss. Big creators don't grow from long videos alone anymore. Most of their audience now comes from short-form clips that grab attention first and push viewers to the full video. That's why big podcasts have entire teams doing one thing, turning long videos into dozens of short clips every day and posting them everywhere. And it's not just podcasts. In 2026, every niche uses clipping. YouTubers, coaches, founders, educators, personal brands. If you sell attention or products, you need short-form reach. I've personally seen pages grow to tens of thousands of followers just by clipping content. Creators notice this, and that's when they hire clippers. So how much can you make? As a student, $1,000 to $1,500 per month is completely realistic with just a few clients. No fancy setup. To start, reach out to creators who already have 100,000 plus subscribers, active podcasts, or consistent long-form content. Show them how clips bring more reach, new audiences, and more views and sales. Smaller podcast channels are often the best clients. They already believe in clipping, and they pay for consistency. This market is underrated, but not for long. Once it's crowded, it's too late. If you're early, that's your advantage. And yes, you can do all of this on your phone. Basic cuts, simple captions. If you don't know how yet, you can learn everything in under 1 week and start getting paid as a clipper. Now let's move to the next business, script writing. You're living in the creator economy, and there's a rule in business. When everyone is chasing gold, sell the shovels. You already consume content every day, which means you already know enough to start writing scripts. Right now, script writers earn 1 to 5 cents per word. A single 10-minute script can pay $120 to $150, and writing one usually takes 3 to 4 days. Even as a beginner, 4 scripts a month puts you at $500 to $600. So why isn't everyone doing this? Simple. Most people do it wrong. Clients don't want random writers, they want specialists. And specialization comes from doing one type of work again and again. Most writers jump niches. Finance today, tech tomorrow, motivation next. That's exactly what you shouldn't do. Instead, ask one question. What content do I already consume the most? That's your niche. Then learn structure, storytelling, hooks, and retention. If you're serious, this takes under 3 months. The rule is simple. Pick one niche, understand it deeply, work only with creators in that space. Every niche needs good writers, finance, tech, education, documentaries, comedy, but not AI spam. Creators want real writers who understand the audience and keep people watching. This market is wide open, but not forever. AI won't replace good writers. Good writers will replace lazy AI users. Pick a niche early, dominate it, and make creators depend on you before it gets crowded. Now let's move to the next income stream. YouTube thumbnail design. The rule of YouTube is simple. More videos means more thumbnails. In the US market, good designers charge $30 to $60 per thumbnail. And with international creators, especially US YouTubers, $50 or more is completely normal. Now let's be realistic. If you're designing only on your phone, you won't land high-end clients immediately. But as a beginner, $8 to $15 per thumbnail is very doable while you build experience. Here's where it adds up. A serious YouTuber uploads at least 4 videos a month. With A/B testing, Many want 2 or 3 thumbnail versions per video. Do the math. With one client, $150 to $250 per month is easy. With a few similar creators, $600 per month or more becomes realistic. Thumbnail design isn't complicated. You just need the basics. Study high-performing thumbnails and understand psychology, contrast, and curiosity. This is a skill you can learn in under 3 months from zero. Finding clients is easier than you think. Target small but serious creators, 500 to 5,000 subscribers. Recreate one of their thumbnails at a higher level and send it by email. If they like it, you often get hired instantly. If not, you still get feedback. One warning. Never send AI-generated thumbnails and call yourself a designer. Creators don't lack AI tools. They lack designers who understand YouTube psychology. Master the skill, not shortcuts, and the money follows. Now let's move to the next income stream. Content strategist. A content strategist decides what to post, when to post, how to create it, where to distribute it, and how to repurpose it into a system. Your job is simple. Get maximum value from content. One thing is clear. Social media is the main growth engine. Influencers, businesses, service providers, everyone wants attention. But most people don't know what they're doing. That's why demand for content strategists is exploding. In the US market, content strategists earn $2,000 to $5,000 per month, and more with the right clients. Best part? This skill isn't hard. You can learn content strategy in under 3 months. You already do half the work for free, scrolling, watching, spotting trends. Now you just do it intentionally. Pick one niche, study top creators, analyze what they post, when they post, and how they sell. Then apply the same system for clients who don't know any of this. Once it works, clients depend on you for views and revenue. That's when you charge more. This skill only gets more valuable. And yes, you can start using just your phone. Now the final income source, becoming a content creator. Every hustle we talked about exists because content exists. Editors, writers, designers. They earn because creators post. Now flip it. Instead of working for creators, you build as a creator. That's leverage. Creators don't rely on one income stream. They earn from ads, brand deals, affiliates, products, communities, and more. Income varies, but even a small creator with the right strategy can cross $1,000 per month. This isn't instant. It takes consistency and learning. That's why it's advanced. But once you build attention, money always follows. 1 year from now, you'll be in one of two places, still watching videos like this, or making money from a skill you started today. This video wasn't made to motivate you. It was made to wake you up. If you're serious, comment start. I read those comments, and future videos are for people who actually take action.